What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Keisha here. How y'all doing? So today I have a date night makeup tutorial. I think it's cute. Um, Pretty easy. I just did my brows. I'm not wearing really any face makeup, so yeah. Let me lift the camera. I feel like it's dirty. Is that better? Okay. But yeah, this is the look. I think it's cute. It brings some attention to the eyes. Did you guys just see that? I like almost yanked my hair out of my head. My hair is crazy. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. So first we're gonna start out with this concealer. I like to use concealer because I don't know. I just like it. Just make sure your whole lid is covered. Alright, now that we're done with that, we're gonna take, where's the brush I need? Here it is. Take this brush like this, and we're gonna take this yellow color from my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. It's the yellowest color in there. Just take a little on the brush. And I'm just gonna slowly blending that in. Okay. It's raining right now. Do you guys like the smell of rain? Cause I think I'm like obsessed with it or something. My dog was in here sleeping and then she heard the neighbor dog and now she's up and she's gone. She left me. She left. We're just gonna put it in the crease and blend it. In the crease, blend it out. Just like that. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna take this brush right here and we're gonna take this brown color and just put that on top. The crease too. Now that we've done that, we're gonna take this big old brush right here. And we're gonna take this dark color. And here's the big part, you guys. Like, you need to take some on your brush. Make sure it's not too much. So, what I like to do, the best for like this overhood crease or something like that. I don't know. But I just like to start in the other corner and kind of work my way. And just keep doing that. Oh, I can't get over until I find something new to like this video if you know that song. Just gonna blend that. Make sure it's all blended. Like you do. Alright, now that we're done with that, I'm gonna take the sparkly color. It's very, very sparkly. And we're just gonna put this. Focus it right here. I kind of like focus where my pupil is where I mainly put it. And then, oh yeah, we're taking a small brush too out, by the way. So what we're gonna do is okay. Gonna work it to the outer corner just a little bit, not too much, and then work its way up. Kind of into the crease because my eyelids like if they're not into the crease, it'll start to move its way into the crease anyways. So you gotta learn your eyes too when it's with makeup. You kind of learn like what looks good on you, what fits you, you know, your taste and stuff. Could have blended up to the other part. Cute. Cute, 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 cute. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna have mascara. The best part, to be honest. Well, that's the best part to me. I'm using Great Lash, by the way. I like this mascara. You guys like my nails? You guys, should I upload more vlogs? Because I have a vlog. It's already edited and everything. I just haven't uploaded it. Like, let me know. Oh, man. Not again. Oh, man. Oh, man. Do you guys see that? Poop. Shoo. 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 I'm gonna use this. I'm just gonna hope and pray that I can get this off. Oh, shoot. That made it worse. No, I don't have any Q-tips, you guys. I should have waited for it to dry, huh? No, don't do this to me. The one makeup look that actually looks presentable, and this happens, of course. Just my look, y'all. Till I find something Okay, it's gone. Now that you do the upper lashes, gonna do the bottom ones too. Alright, we're done with that. Okay. We're gonna take this brush, a flat shader brush just like this. We're gonna take this Morphe palette. It's just a little one. We're gonna take this color right here. It's like a banana powder kind of color. We're just gonna take that to highlight our brow bone. You guys, my sister's getting married in October. I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be the person doing people's makeup. I am so excited. I mean, unless she wants to pay somebody to do it, which would be kind of stupid because by the time she has her wedding, I'll already be started in college, so hopefully I'll have more info on makeup. Now it's like that. We're going to use this Kat Von D powder. It's just like the translucent kind. And I'm just going to put that on my face just to matte my face. And I don't really want to put much makeup on my face, and that's why I'm kind of doing this. So until I find something new. I'm kind of breaking out, I feel like. Or I will eventually. Just matte the face. I have no makeup on. That's a mole right there, if you're wondering. Don't make fun of me. You guys, I'm gonna make a whole video on like how I got it. And everything is kind of sad. I hate talking about it, but I'm gonna have to tell you guys eventually, right? Can't have no shiny forehead. No, thank you. Clean up right there. Okay. Like you do. Can't get over. Now I'm gonna use this highlighter. You guys, this is a new highlighter. I haven't shown it. I've had it for like a week or two now. I haven't shown it on camera ever. Now that I'm realizing that, we're gonna show it on camera because it's the best thing ever. Number one. Number two, it's really cheap. It's really cheap, y'all. You guys check my eyebrows? I have been using this NYX Professional Eye Makeup brow pencil in the color chocolate, and it makes my eyebrows like look very natural. I like that though, you know, because before my eyebrows were super dark and I hated it, but this, like, I can't like make them too dark to the point where like they look fake, you know, because it's not as like pigmented as the other one, but it's like pigmented. I think it's cute. I definitely always wanted natural brows over like bold and like looking drawn on brows, you know. I like natural more than anything, to be honest. Okay, now that we're at that, we're going to move on to the highlighter, like I said. So I've had this highlighter for about a week or two now. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. And they're new. $5. $5, you guys. Mine is in the color, where is it? Oh, here it is. Golden Flower Crown 33B. 333B. Golden Flower Crown. 33B. And then I got also this Wet n Wild fan brush to highlight with. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys this highlighter because you guys are going to love it. Look at that. Okay, let me turn these settings on differently. Here we go. See that? Let me just swatch it on my hand real quick. You see that? Oh yeah. So I'm just going to take that. Okay, now let's focus it on. Look at that. In seconds. How does that happen? Magic to the highlighter. For real though. Highlight the forehead a little bit. You guys, $5 highlighter. Go get it right now. It's new. It's Wet n Wild. It's cheap. It's actually good looking on the skin. It doesn't look like not good, you know? I like the cream one, but it just wasn't to my intensity. And it was cream, so I kind of sometimes didn't blend it in all the way, and it just wouldn't look good. But this, I love the way it looks on my skin. It makes my skin look shiny, glowy. Yes, yes. Okay. See a pimple right there. Alright. Ooh. Okay. So I'm gonna do one more close up of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, my eyes are different shapes, so they probably look weird, but Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos on my channel, and yeah. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and follow me on Instagram at CurlyHeadKasia, and yeah, bye guys.